Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Chat English. I'm Rachel, and today we have a special episode just for you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Josh. Today, we're going shopping together. We'll practice over 150 useful English phrases you can use when buying clothes, asking about sizes and colors, trying things on, and paying at the cashier.
That's right. Whether you're buying a new shirt, sandals, or just browsing, this episode will help you feel confident speaking English in any store. We'll go through 4 scenes: meeting at the mall, shopping for clothes, buying shoes, and paying at the cashier.
Along the way, we'll use simple daily expressions, practice shadowing, and finish with a quiz.
So get ready and let's start our shopping adventure. Hey, Josh. Great to see you.
Hi, Rachel. Long time no see. You look great.
Thanks. You too. So, are you ready to go shopping?
Absolutely. I really need a new shirt. And maybe some new shoes, too.
Ooh, a mini shopping spree. I like it.
Yeah, I just want something simple and casual.
No problem. Let's check out the clothing store on the 2nd floor. They have a summer sale.
Sounds perfect. I hope they have my size.
I'm sure they will. I'll help you find something that suits you.
Thanks. You have great taste.
Aw, thank you. I love shopping for clothes, especially when it's not for me.
Lucky me. By the way, do you need anything?
Maybe I'll look for some sandals, but let's find your shirt first.
Deal. Let's go.
Patterns in this scene. Great to see you. Long time no see. Are you ready to? I really need. Let's check out. Sounds perfect. Or good. I hope they have my size. That suits you. You have great taste. Lucky me. By the way, let's go.
Excuse me, do you have this shirt in medium size?
Let me check for you. Yes, here it is. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Could you tell me where the fitting room is?
Of course. It's right over there, next to the mirrors.
I'm not sure about this one. It feels a bit tight around the shoulders and the sleeves are a little short. Do you happen to have it in a large?
Yes, we do have a large size. Let me get it for you. Here you go.
Wow, this fits much better, thank you. By the way, do you have this shirt in other colors, maybe black or navy blue?
Yes, we have it available in black, navy blue, and also in dark green.
I think the navy blue looks more versatile and easier to match with other clothes. What do you recommend?
Navy blue is a great choice. It's stylish and goes well with both casual and formal outfits.
Sounds perfect. How much is the navy blue shirt?
The original price is £25, but we're running a 20% discount today.
Oh, nice. Can you tell me the final price after the discount?
Sure. After the discount, it's £20.
That's a great deal. I'll take the navy blue shirt in large, please.
Excellent choice. Let me pack it for you.
Patterns in this scene. Excuse me, do you have this in size? Let me check for you. Would you like to try it on? Could you tell me where the fitting room is? It feels a bit tight, loose, short, long. Do you happen to have it in a large, another color? Do you have this shirt in other colors? I think color looks more versatile, stylish, better. What do you recommend? How much is it? We're running a percentage discount today. Can you tell me the final price after the discount? That's a great deal. I'll take it. Let me pack it for you.
I'm looking for a pair of sandals for the summer. Something comfortable but stylish.
Sure. What size do you wear?
I'm a UK size 6.
We have these new arrivals. They're very popular this season. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. I like the beige ones. Do you have them in my size?
Let me check. Yes, size 6 is available in beige, white, and light pink.
Great. I'll try the beige and white ones. They're cute, but a little tight in the front. Do they run small?
Yes, some customers say they feel a bit narrow. Would you like to try a size 7?
Yes, please.
Maybe that will fit better.
Here you go. These also have more padding inside.
Oh, much better. These feel really comfortable and soft.
They're a popular choice. How much are you interested in spending?
How much do these cost?
They're £35, but today we have a 15% discount.
Awesome. So that's about 30 pounds, right?
Exactly. £29.75.
That's a great deal. I'll take them.
Would you like a bag for them?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Daily phrases in this scene. I'm looking for a pair of shoes for season or occasion. Something comfortable but stylish. What size do you wear? Would you like to try them on? Do you have them in my size? They run small, narrow, or tight. Would you like to try a size up? These also have more padding inside. How much do these cost? We have a percentage discount today. That's about price, right? I'll take them. Would you like a bag for them? Thank you.
Hi there. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you. I found the perfect shirt.
Great! Let me scan that for you. Your total is 20 pounds.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. You can tap or insert your card here.
Done. Could you please put the shirt in a separate bag?
No problem. Here you go.
Daily phrases in this scene. Did you find everything you were looking for? I found the perfect item. Let me scan that for you. Your total is... Can I pay by card? You can tap or insert your card here. Done. Could you please put it in a separate bag? No problem. Here you go.
Hello. Did you find what you wanted?
Yes, thanks. I got these sandals. They're very comfortable.
Nice choice. That will be $29.75.
Can I get a printed receipt, please?
Certainly. Here it is.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Daily phrases in this scene. Did you find what you wanted? I got these items. They're very comfortable. Nice choice. That will be amount. Can I get a printed receipt, please? Certainly. Here it is. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a great day.
Shadowing. Slow listening and practice. Repeat the sentences out loud. Each of them is taken from daily English conversations. Are you ready to go shopping? I'm looking for something casual. Do you have this in medium? Can I try it on? That color looks amazing on you. Do they have it in black? It's also on sale today, 20% off. I'm looking for a pair of sandals for the summer. They're very popular this season. These feel great, super soft and really comfortable. How much is it after the discount? Would you like a bag? Can I get a printed receipt, please? Let's grab a coffee, my treat. You read my mind.
Mini quiz. Shopping in English. What size does Josh finally choose for the shirt? A. Medium. B. Small. C. Large. D. Extra large. Answer C. Where is the fitting room according to the shop assistant? A. On the second floor. B. Next to the mirrors. C. Behind the cashier. D. Near the shoes. Answer B. What does Rachel say about the first pair of sandals she tries on? A. They're cute but a little tight. B. They're too big. C. They don't match her outfit. D. They're perfect. Answer A. How much does Josh pay for the navy blue shirt after the discount? A. 25 pounds. B.
22.5 pounds, C, 20 pounds, D, 18.99 pounds. Answer, C. What does Rachel ask the cashier for during checkout? A discount, B, a printed receipt, C, gift wrapping, D, a gift card. Answer, B.
That was fun. We hope you enjoyed shopping with us today.
Remember to practice these phrases again with shadowing to improve your speaking and listening skills.
And don't forget to try the quiz in the description to test what you learned.
If you liked this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Chat English for more fun lessons.
Thanks for listening. See you next time on Let's Chat English.
Bye, everyone. Happy shopping and keep practicing your English.